Okay. A very good morning to class 6 students. So, exercise 14.1 we have completed till question number 2, and still I didn't get uh, any what homework you didn't send. Okay, so let's start with question number 3 today. Find the breadth of a rectangle whose perimeter is 400 meter and length is given. So you have to find the breadth. Breadth is unknown, perimeter is 400 and length is the first question. For length is 120, I think so, 120 meter. So how to find the breadth if the perimeter is given and length is given? We know formula for perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle 2 into L plus 2 into B. So I am writing here the direct formula for breadth. Okay, breadth is equal to small b, right? Small b is equal to P. For perimeter, from now I will write P. Okay, P minus 2 into L whole divided by 2. Whole divided by 2. And if the length was asked, length L is equal to P minus 2 into B whole divided by 2. So these are the two formula for breadth, length and perimeter. Also you can find. This formula derived from the perimeter only. Okay, if you arrange it properly, you will get this only. So this is the formula for breadth, this is the formula for length, and this is the formula for perimeter. So for now, what is asked? Breadth is asked. So B is equal to P is how much? 400 minus 2 into L. 2 into what is the length? 120 divided by 2. So here if I solve 400 minus, if you multiply you will get 240. 400 minus 240 divided by 2. And if you subtract you will get 160. 160 divided by 2. So 160 divided by 2 is 80 meter. So your breadth is 80 meter and length is 120 meter. Is it okay? So rest question number 2, 3 and 4 do by yourself. I will continue to question number 4. 4 means natural number 4, not Roman number 4. Okay. So I hope you got this. Now question number 4 is said the length of a rectangular field is 95 meter and perimeter is given, say similar to question number 3 only. I am not doing that. Question number 5. A square piece of land has each side equal to 50 meter. If 3 layers of metal wire are to be used to fence it, fence means to what you say, to make a boundary and to put in Hindi or in your language you may say bera, to put boundary. Okay, what is the length of the wire needed? So they are putting a what boundary of wire. Now square, the figure that is given to you is a square, and what is the length? Means what is the length of the side? 50 meter. So this will also be 50 meter. This will also be 50 meter. This will also be 50 meter. Now the boundary fence you will put in the boundary only, not inside your home, right? Fence means the in the boundary you will put some kind of protection. So first we have to find the perimeter of a square. What is the perimeter of a square? Perimeter of a square, if you remember, perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. So 4 into what is the side? 50 meter. So 200 meter. This is the perimeter. Now how many layer? 3 layer of wire they will put. Means 1 layer, 2 layer, 3 layer. That means how many times they are doing? 3 times they are putting the wire. So total wire needed is equal to 200 into how many times? 3. So 200 into 3, that is 600. Is it okay? Okay. So this was question number 5. Okay. Now let us do question number 6. Two sides of a triangle are 35 and 60. Find its third side in the perimeter of a triangle is 150. So question number 6. In question number 6 it is given that in a triangle perimeter P is equal to given 150 centimeter and two sides of a triangle are given 35 and 60. You have to find the third side. So how to find the third side? We know name the triangle. Okay, we know AB plus BC plus CA is equal to perimeter. Means if you add the three sides, you will get the perimeter, right? So AB is given 35 plus BC you need to find, and CA is given 60 and perimeter is given 150. So you need to find BC, right? So let us keep the BC in the left hand side only and take this to the other side. Now if we take the number to the other side, it will be what? It will be minus, right? So first of all add this. 60 plus 35 is 95. So 150 minus, if you take to the other side, it will be minus. So 95. So 150 minus 95 is 150 minus 95 is 55. Yes, 55. So your BC is 55 centimeter. In question number 7, it is given the dimension is 30 centimeter into 20 centimeter. See, nothing to worry. 30 centimeter into 20 centimeter means this is the length and this is the breadth. If in between multiplication is given, you don't have to multiply, okay? So this 30 centimeter is the length and this 20 centimeter is the breadth. Now you can find the perimeter. So 7, 8, 9, 10 homework and submit.